Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with a Shopify website in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Adding your Shopify site to ConvertBox. Make sure that the site created inside your ConvertBox dashboard matches the domain of your Shopify account. If you're using a Shopify domain, then your site will be mysite.myshopify.com. If you are using your own domain, then your site will be mydomain.com. Step 2. Add ConvertBox's embed code to your Shopify site. Log into your Shopify account. In the menu on the left, select Online Store, then Themes. On the right-hand side of the theme window, go to the Actions drop-down and select Edit HTML/CSS. From the list of pages on the left, select Theme.liquid, it's located under the Layout heading. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and just before the closing /body tag, insert your ConvertBox embed code. Then press Save.